Boigo ni go Johnson Sakaja hakwanira gatie merobirio babikira soko ni kebune county ya Nairobi na boige serikali enene ngogendererere gatie chinsemo abamurikira no gotinya oburendi anene aso goikirania obokoriri obia ni go babikese yo gwanchirana na barabe bakobwaterana
and mobility, markets, housing, among other areas. This agreement solidifies those arrangements, providing a legal framework for additional support, including partnership in security and order. Because, Your Excellency, we promised a city of order, dignity, hope, and opportunity. Next year, Nairobi will be hosting the Africa Cup of Nations, a historic opportunity. This agreement will help us to be able to provide additional infrastructure necessary for a successful tournament. We're on the journey to Singapore, and Nairobi will not be left behind. This is the capital of Singapore, Excellency. The capital city will remain at the center of the transformation to first world status. This agreement provides for a two-tier governance structure for its successful implementation. The steering committee, which will be chaired by the Prime Cabinet Secretary as the coordinator of national government ministries and agencies, deputized by myself, and comprising of cabinet secretaries as well as county staff, will set the overall policy goals and direction. The day-to-day execution of programs and projects will be overseen by the implementation committee, which will be chaired by the governor of Nairobi and will comprise principal secretaries from the national government as well as county executive committee members responsible for corresponding functions. We thank you for seeing the need and unique place of the capital city and for your support. Your Excellency, there are many things, but let me just mention that already with your support, we've been able to increase the amount of water coming into the city by 140 million liters a day through the Northern Collector Tunnel, which had been stuck. We will also embark on projects like the Maragua 4 Dam and improvements at Ngedu water treatment to achieve close to 200 additional million liters of water daily. Several other such transformational projects will be undertaken. This is the true spirit of devolution, partnership between the levels of government. A lot can be achieved when we come together. Devolution is not a competition. Devolution is a collaboration. Your Excellency, devolution is like asking, a bird asking, and I've said this before, for a bird to fly, which wing does it need, the right wing or the left wing? It needs both wings to fly, the national government and the county government. This is not a transfer of functions, as happened during the NMS time, which was a misadventure that left this city with a 16 billion shillings pending bills hole and which did not augur well with the true spirit of devolution. It is not a transfer, but a collaboration, which is encouraged and which holds true regard to the mandate given to both of us by the people of Kenya and the citizens of Nairobi, and to the constitution that we swore to abide by.